Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to remove the weather here from your taskbar in Windows 11. And these are actually called widgets, and sometimes you might see them as stock quotes or sports scores as well. We're going to show you how to turn that off right now. So what we're going to do is find an open area on our taskbar here at the bottom. So right here will work great. And we're going to go ahead and right click in that area, not left click, but right click. And a tiny little menu is going to pop up, and we'll see it says taskbar settings here. We can go ahead and left click on that. And it's going to open up the taskbar settings. And it's really quite simple to turn this off. You'll see the widgets option here towards the top. And currently that is turned on. And when I click on the toggle switch here, watch what happens in the bottom left-hand corner. We can turn it off and it disappears. Of course, if we want to turn it back on, we can just click on that again and turn it right back on. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And we don't need to hit apply or anything. It's automatic. We'll just minimize this or close it and you are all set. And the weather is turned off here in your taskbar in Windows 11.